Changing your vehicle's cabin air filter and air filter takes only a few minutes and helps protect your engine and lungs from pollutants and debris. The air filter cleans the air entering your engine and protects its sensitive parts from debris and dust, while the cabin air filter keeps the air inside your vehicle clean, so you're not inhaling pollutants every time you drive. Depending on driving conditions, filters should be replaced every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or if you notice they're dirty during an inspection. Before getting started, you'll need to pick up an STP engine air filter and an STP cabin air filter from AutoZone. Depending on your vehicle, you may need a screwdriver or socket set. We're changing filters on a 2008 Nissan Altima, but most vehicles follow similar steps. Talk to an AutoZoner or consult your owner's manual for more information. To install the new cabin air filter, you'll need to remove the glove box. Once you have access, remove the old cabin air filter and any debris and install the new filter. Airflow direction is indicated by arrows on the filter. Once the filter is installed, put the glove box back in. To replace the engine air filter, open the hood and locate the air cleaner filter housing. Opening the filter housing should be straightforward, but may require the use of a screwdriver or socket set. Pull out the old filter, remove any debris, and install the new one in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure the correct side is facing up. Secure the filter box to finish the job. Replacing both your cabin filter and engine air filter helps keep the inside of your vehicle clean and your engine free of debris. Pick up these essential parts and anything else you need at AutoZone or AutoZone.com.